Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get an Uber promo code. Let's start. First of all, open up the web browser and search here Coupon Follow. Tap to open its site. Once you get into its site, click on the search bar and search here Uber. Then tap to open uber.com where you can find an Uber coupon code. There are so many coupons you can use, so scroll down and click on the Show Coupon Code button of $15 off. Now copy its coupon code from here or tap on Continue to Uber. Click to copy the code. You can use it when you need the ride. You can also use many other coupons to get off on your Uber rides. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.